How to fix advertiser verification in Google Ads. Google requires advertisers to confirm their identity and business legitimacy to enhance transparency in financial, healthcare, political, or regulated sectors. If verification isn't completed by the deadline, your ads may get paused, and future campaigns may be restricted. So first, open the Advertiser Verification Center. Go to Google Ads, Settings, Advertiser Verification, or find the prompt in your in-account notifications. Second, gather the right documents. You'll be asked for document issued photo ID for individuals and business registration documents, incorporation certificate, tax ID, etc. Ensure these match what you entered in Google Ads exactly. Third, submit high-quality files. Upload clear, legible scans or photos. Avoid glare, low resolution, or cropped pages. File size should be 19 kilobytes to 20 megabytes, and submit complete sets, both sides and multi-page registrations. Fourth, address common submission errors. Update your ads profile or documents to match your address and name exactly. For individual versus organization mismatches, select correct account type and submit matching documents. Restate with better quality images, include all pages. Fifth, verify authorized representative if available. In some cases, especially for agencies managing client accounts, Google will ask to verify the agent's identity, either using a driver's license or a passport. Sixth, check and update billing profile details. Most issues arise from inconsistencies between your payments profile and submitted documents. Make sure they are fully aligned. After that, simply wait for submission. Typical review time is 3 to 5 business days, and if you're rejected, you'll receive a non-descriptive message, info inconsistent, for example, and you'll be prompted to resubmit. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.